Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I will show you exactly how to play Pokemon Go on your PC in 2025. Full step-by-step guide, super easy. First, open up your web browser and search for Pokemon Go APK. From the search results, click on a trusted site. I recommend APK Pure or a similar reliable source. Download the APK file from that site. Next, go back to your search engine and look for the Softonic website. Once you're there, click the free download button on the right-hand side. Then choose free APK download. Your download should begin, just wait a few moments. Now locate your downloaded file in your download folders. After that, it's time to open your Android emulator. Something like BlueStacks or LD Player works great. Inside your emulator, go to My Games and click Install Local APK. Drag and drop the Pokemon Go APK file you just downloaded. The game now installed inside your emulator. Once it's done, just hit the play game button and you're ready to explore the Pokemon world from your PC. That's it. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more tech tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one as always.